Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video I'm going to do a quick little sound clip for you all of my 5.1 Klipsch system, specifically the ones in the back, which are the RP-500SA Dolby Atmos speakers that can also be used for surround sound or height speakers. I love these because now when I sit right here in the middle of this living room, I get the full experience and I don't just get sound in the front, I get it from above and behind me. If you'd like more information or would like to check out the specs on these speakers, then feel free to check out the links that I provided down in the description below. I'm going to go ahead and connect my receiver over to my laptop. Reason being is I want to be able to capture the sound from the speakers up there and still give you some video footage as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click play on this and pretty loud.
Inbound 10 o'clock level. 3 o'clock boys, rolling out. Get those doors closed in.
Video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up for me, comment below if you have any questions, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.